bulky tactical boots will only impede your mission. So, lace or zip up with the best lightweight tactical boots to get a tactical advantage. These types of boots are made to keep military, sports, and outdoor enthusiasts comfortable yet fast. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 lightweight tactical boots on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Nortiv 8 Men's Military Tactical Work Boots. The Nortiv 8 tactical boots are versatile to use for both work and outdoor activities, like climbing and camping. These boots stand out with their dynamic 3-sole system. Removable insole, EVA midsole, and rubber outsole. The removable insole comes with nice arch support to reduce fatigue after wearing the boots for long hours. My favorite is the optimal cushioning from the EVA midsole, as it helps absorb the shock for more comfortable walking and landing. Moreover, the rubber outsole seems to perform well in any terrain with its good traction. I love the combination of the leather and mesh fabric upper. The leather seems to be wear-resistant and durable, while the mesh upper is breathable. More importantly, I feel sufficient support on the ankles thanks to the addition of thick foam padded collars. It usually takes a couple of days to break in some new tactical boots, but these Nortiv 8 were comfortable straight out of the box. It's also easy to put my foot in and out of the boots because they come with side zippers. And for the price, this is an excellent steal. Number 2. Bates Men's Ultralight Tactical Military Boot. This ultralight model is a good pair of light tactical boots that seem sturdy enough to hold up for vigorous work. It features a side zipper, making these boots easy to put on and take off. I have been wearing these military boots for all types of weather, and I'm surprised at how well they hold up. My feet remain cool in the summer and warm during winter, even staying dry through the rain. I like that the lining wicks away moisture and dissipates heat to keep my feet sweat-free. About 70% of these boots are made of durable leather, while the rest is made of nylon. These are the most comfortable tactical boots I've worn because they're super light and bend with my feet well. Also, the rubber sole has wide spaces between the trails, so they make great contact on any ground when I place my foot down. Fortunately, there's great arch support thanks to the cushioned EVA midsole and removable insert. These boots also look good, especially when I polish the leather area. Once I get the laces set up, I can simply leave them alone and use the zippers for easy wearing. Number 3. Under Armour Men's Stellar Military and Tactical Boots. These Under Armour tactical boots feel tough with their 900D nylon upper. I tried kicking a door with these boots on, and I'm surprised that they created such a large impact that the door came off the hinges. The best part of these lightweight combat boots is that the leather is treated with a durable water repellent to make it water resistant. I could see the water rolling off the boots when I tried walking in them under the rain. More importantly, this pair works great in extreme temperatures, especially during winter. I love the flexibility and elasticity of the boots. It seems like the EVA midsole is reinforced with a TPU shank to offer additional support. Also, the rubber lug sole offers a substantial grip to keep me from slipping on slippery roads. My favorite is the Ortholite sock liner because it provides a lightweight insulation barrier from the cold on my feet. Another exceptional innovation of these Under Armour boots is the Anti-Odor Technology. It seizes and annihilates the odor-causing bacteria. Number 4. Free Soldier Men's 8 inches Lightweight Combat Boots. These Free Soldier boots are quite versatile to use in different fields. They can be used as light police boots, desert boots, hiking shoes, and in other tactical missions. I love to wear these boots in hot weather because they feel cool, thanks to the vented holes. Additionally, the 1000D Cordura fabric upper isn't only durable, but also breathable and flexible. Also, the suede leather and zippers held up perfectly while I was hiking for 5 hours. These boots do provide great protection and support. The strengthened heel and toe cap helped me prevent many ankle injury incidents. More impressively, the EVA midsole offers amazing rebound and cushioning to absorb shocks while walking. I adore the laces as they can be tightened without sacrificing the integrity of the boot. I have thin ankles, and I was able to lace the boot to fit me securely. Surprisingly, the price is quite low, considering the quality that I get from these boots. Number 5. Bates Women's Ultralight Side Zip Boots. The Bates Women's Ultralights are quite tough to withstand the elements outdoors. My feet never get soaked in water, so it's safe to say that they're water resistant enough to be used in snow and rain. The boots are comfortable to run in and offer adequate support in the right parts. I think the EVA midsole plays a large part in providing stability and comfort when walking or running for long hours. Also, the removable insert is cushioned well to cradle the feet away from injuries. The rubber sole is quite impressive as it can tread on any type of surface. I was able to work on concrete and asphalt at different incline-decline levels without a hitch. Also, both the leather and nylon materials seem to be well made to last. Fortunately, the lining is breathable and wicks away moisture to keep my feet dry. Additionally, the boots zip up fast and smoothly, so I never had a problem wearing them. They also came true to size, much to my satisfaction. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.